Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Union Park Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. For your upcoming move within the city, check out Union Park Local TM Movers. With our expert Florida movers, we guarantee a seamless and efficient moving experience. From packing and loading to transporting your belongings, we handle it excellently. Are you preparing for a long-distance move from Union Park? Union Park. Long Distance 3 Movers can guarantee a seamless and successful relocation. Our team of experienced professionals is here to oversee every aspect of your long-distance move. Moving out of Union Park presents its unique challenges that require careful deliberation. Our dedicated experts recognize the significance of employing secure packing techniques and take additional precautions to ensure the safety of your items throughout the entire relocation process. We understand the financial considerations associated with relocating. Union Park Long Distance 3 Movers provides competitive pricing options tailored to your specific requirements, empowering you to discover a solution that fits your budgetary needs. Our team possesses the necessary certifications and equipment to handle long-distance moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Union Park Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.